Yeah, I got big marshmallows. Hi. All right, it's another day, another sunny day. It is nice out. Let me roll down my tent. Booyah. So we are borderline Metro Parks, borderline National Park. And we're filming something today with some of my friends, my Midwest Cheer family, some cool people, some new people I'm gonna meet too. I saw something on Instagram they were doing, jumping into this water off this cliff, and I'm like, I wanna film there. So I'm excited to do this, but I'm kinda nervous because, well, for one, I don't want anyone getting hurt. So we're gonna have fun, so I'll take you along, let's go. All right, so we're at our location here under this bridge, and we're jumping off into this. What up, what up?
Oh.
So yeah, was that a good jump?
Oh yeah, it was.
Exciting?
It's cool.
Awesome. What's up, guys? All right, we just really just walked through some treacherous terrain with these two girls. What was your name again?
Brittany.
Brittany and Skylar. She's from Midwest Cheer Elite Cleveland, and I follow her on Instagram. I follows you.
At Fly High Sky.
Fly High Sky, yep. I'll put the link below, so check her out. What's your Instagram?
Brittany Nichek.
Brittany Nichek. Got it, spell that.
BRITTANYNECAK.
Awesome. And so basically I saw Skylar's video of her jumping off this ledge with, was it you?
Yes.
So these two were jumping off, and I said, hey, you want to do a shoot? And you were like, yeah. So she put it all together. She got all our friends together. It was a good group of us. It looks good. The video will be out. Link is below. I'm super excited about this one. So also check out GoScope. We use their GoScope to get some of the shots with the GoPro. So that link is below too. Thank you, GoScope, for hooking us up with that gear. You guys all good?
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you. Man.
So let's start with your Instagram or Twitter. What do you want to plug? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram?
Facebook, Austin Brooks, add me.
Awesome.
What's my name on it? Instagram? I don't know it. What is it?
Dominic Compola.
Spell that.
DOMINICCOMPOLA.
Awesome.
My Instagram is @Siler_. That's it.
Awesome.
SILER_.
My Vine is KitKat is my life.
Nice. What about you? Are you online?
Nah.
You're awesome. You were a trooper. You jumped off that rock. That was awesome. Was it scary?
No.
She's like, I'll do it like over and over. Awesome. Well, that's a wrap, guys. We're gonna move on to something else. Let's go. Yeah, I got big marshmallows. Hi. You wanna go outside? You can't turn it off, you'll make it stop. Why did you buy big marshmallows? So I could beat you with them?
Will you stop?
What are you gonna do?
No, you have to get ready. Go!
What are you gonna do?
You can't come out yet. Just get ready.
She thinks she can hurt me, but I'm unhurtable. Okay, that hurt. Okay. The nipple hurt. Alright, we're gonna have a fire. Oh, you bought me my favorite antibacterial soap. Ew, I licked it. That's gross. These kids go up here empty-handed, not bringing anything to the fire. They don't do anything. Okay, I can do this. Oh, you want to start down? You want it?
Yeah, I gotta get diaper change. This might not be appropriate.
Are you filming mommy?
Hi, baby.
This is baby view. What else like to get your diaper changed?
Look.
You're doing a selfie while you're getting your diaper changed? You hold? Okay. Film me. Film me. Okay. What was that? Oh, I got you. Say I love you.
Milk.
Say yoga.
Milk.
Yoga.
No, say yoga.
Say downward dog.
Dog.
Okay, we're going. Go. Do it.
Oh.
It's okay, I got it. Don't worry about it. I got it. It's cool. I got it. I got all of it. Yep, I got it. Yep, you guys just do nothing. I got it. Yeah, I've been in there for like an hour. An hour. There should have been chairs set up. Get us more chairs. Sockley, don't you know about grass stains? Do you not know what grass stains are?
Yes, that's
I mean, do you know what shit stains are? Because they're just as bad as grass stains. They don't come out that good.
I know.
Dennis, sing me a song. Do you know a song? You know any songs? You don't know any songs? Boy can't sing?
No, he screams.
Oh, we got glue right here. Holy cans. Who's drinking a beer? Haley, beer coming outside in the barn hanging out drinking a beer. Huh?
Yep.
You back here drinking beer, smoking that good? Is that what it is? Is that what's going on back here? You're grounded.
What are you talking about?
Oh, sorry. Say no to drugs. Don't let them. Peer pressure is a mother.
That's what I'm gonna say. I will hit you.
Hey, look at this box of sticks. No drugs, guys. No drugs. Alright, so here's what me and Dennis are gonna do. We are gonna have fun with this tonight. We're gonna build a freaking fire fort. We're gonna build a house. We're gonna build a freaking house. I am not shiping you. And we're not ready. I mean, I want to really bad, but we're not ready for this big guy right here. This all-nighter. Look at this bistro right here. But we're gonna put some wood. Man, that's a big boy right there. I really want to burn him. Not yet. We're gonna build a house. A freaking house. See. All right. So we have our. Well, we were supposed to build a cabin, but it just didn't work. We didn't have enough big wood. But it'll go up. We're just throwing all types of stuff. Let's do it. All right, game on. We're gonna see if these poppers go off. We have these like firework poppers in there. I don't know if they will. They should. We'll see.
I think they're just. I don't want fans. I just want my arm and my face.
It's getting hot. I think it's gonna go. Oh, there it goes. Here's our fire starting to go up. Yay. I missed all that action. You were just cruising at me. Hi. Baby Cub's got her mini bike out.
Dad, it's a tricycle.
Living the good life back here in this nice, beautiful land we have. You having fun?
Hey, bye-bye!
It's so hot right now. Yeah, I'll get bitten by bugs.
You have a candle next to you.
Oh, you think you're gonna beat me to the ball? Oh, oh, you got that before me? Alright, me and mommy versus you, because you're really good. Competitive sport here. Kick it real hard. That was awesome. Alright, here we go. I'm kicking this ball to my wife. Ready? Let me kick it. Back up. Let me kick it. Oh. I'm gonna get you, girl. I'm gonna get you.
You're gonna hit it into the fire.
Wait, we gotta set up like a goal line. All right, we've established goal lines past this tree She gets a point. Past that tree, I get a point. Let's do it. Oh no! You guys have to catch it in case it goes in the fire. All right, reset. Brooke, you on my team? Kick the ball. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it hard. No, kick it ball. Kick it hard. Oh.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Yeah! Victory is mine! Yes! Alright, Brooke, you start off. You're on Mom's team.
You gotta wait.
Oh, good fall. Okay, me and Brooke, go. Kick it. Oh, kick it. Kick. Your arm okay? Do I need to check it up? So it's 1 zip. We're only going to 3.
What?
It's hot out here. And the bugs are getting me. And I'm wearing jeans, guys. It's like 90 degrees. No, it's probably like, what, 80? 80 degrees out. Oh.
Yeah! I scored. Haha.
You serious?
Yeah, I am. Look at how far it went that time.
She got me. All right, 1-1. 1-1.
Goal.
Didn't count.
Yeah. You won. Me too.
It's whoever kicks the ball first.
All right, back up. On a count of 3. Someone say go.
Go.
What now, son?
I'm pretty sure you started closer to Mom's goal.
You're what? What happened?
Go.
Wait! You're
Stop.
1, 2, 3. I was not even
1,
ready.
2, 3, go. Go.
Watch. Oh. Dribbling. Dribbling.
Do you get that?
I don't know.
This is like nobody can ever play with you. What did I miss?
Okay, it's Baby Cub's first time sitting forward facing in a car.
Look at you, ready to go in your
Look at your car seat is different. You get to watch where we're going now.
What is that? Are you ready?
Are you excited?
Come on. She's like, wait, this is not how I usually climbed in here.
Wow.
Do you like it?
You ready to go?
Okay. One arm.
Smile. Are you excited? Give me a big smile if you're excited.
Do you like it this way? Oh. Yep, let's get it buckled. Now you have some leg room. Oh. Yeah. You did it.
Buckle.
Yeah, we're all buckled. Okay, wait, Mom, you gotta pull it tight.
Are you ready to go?
Go.
Hang on.
Say go. All right, let's go. This truck up here, his back wheels are locked up and he's smoking out. He's been driving like all the way down this road. Can't really tell. Oh, it's smoking. He's got issues. I don't know if you can see it on that side. See the smoke? I wonder how he doesn't know it. Obviously he can't go fast.
I'm sure
He should have pulled over. Oh man, he's just tearing those tires up. Just tearing it up. Yeah, look at that, guys. He's smoking hard.